I love the Snoopy watch faces on my Apple Watch. Recently, Apple also released Snoopy screensavers for Apple TV, and they are all funky and pleasant. It won't be long before Apple adds these screensavers to the Mac, but if you don't want to wait, here's how to use Snoopy screensavers on your Mac right now. You can download the Snoopy screensavers for Mac using the tvOS built-in Xcode. However, that involves several steps and downloading about 8 GB of Xcode software files that you don't need. Thankfully, since I have already downloaded them, you don't have to. You can click the link to the written guide in the video description and download the files from there. After downloading the files, follow the steps below to set them as screensaver on your Mac. Open Finder and locate the folder you downloaded and use the Command-C keyboard shortcut to copy the folder. Now right-click on the folder name at the top and open the user's directory. Double-click to open the shared folder and use the keyboard shortcut Command Option V to move the folder with all the screensavers here. Now click the link in the video description to download the Arial Companion app. Double-click the zip file to open it and drag the app to the Applications folder. Open the Applications folder and double-click the app to launch it. Alternatively, you can use Spotlight Search to find and launch the app. Once you launch the app, it will add its icon to the menu bar. Click the icon and then the Settings button. On the Settings page, click on the More Videos option. Click the Add Local button. Now drag and drop the screensaver folder to add its path. Finally, click the Add Folder button to add the location. Now, go to the Now Playing screen and click the Deselect All button. Now click on the Snoopy screensaver folder to select it. We did this as we only wanted our Snoopy screensavers to appear and not all the other screensavers in the Arial Companion app. Now let's set this as our screensaver. Use the Apple menu to open the System Settings app. Scroll down the left sidebar to find the screensaver settings and click to open it. Under the Other section, find Arial and click to set it as the screensaver. That's it, we are done. Now as long as Arial is running in the background, the Mac will show Snoopy screensavers. If you found this video useful, click here to learn how to use video wallpapers on your Mac. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thank you for watching and I will catch you in the next one.